Welcome to section number 6, case studies. Now we're going to analyze 3 case studies, which are, let's say, plants or chemical processes, and we're going to add all what we have learned, especially the analysis section and the unit operation part. Now, how those case studies work? Essentially, I'm going to give a process. We're going to have a problem statement, what is happening right now, what do we need to do, and how we are going to model it. Number 2 will be build the flow sheet, how we interact with Aspen software in order to have the process previously stated. Then we run and get results. Remember that we already know how to get relevant results. Make an analysis, be an engineer, and see what can we do in order to improve the process. Maybe recycle, maybe design specification. We use sensitivity analysis to see which property will be changed according to that variable, and so on. And finally, we make our final assessment on the plant. We say whether or not it's convenient to do this or not, and we're done. Now, this will be done on the 3 case studies, which is hydrodealkylation of toluene. Essentially, we're going to convert toluene to benzene, and then benzene to the phenyl product. Now, we also produce nitric oxide from ammonia and oxygen, and we produce isobutane production from isobutane. Now, you have any doubt, guys, let me know. Remember that you can always get the results and simulations on the link which is in the previous sections. And yeah, guys, I wish you the best, good luck, and let's see how it goes.